All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, getting that credit card with BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about crypto.com, CRO. What's going on with it? It's down slightly in the last 24 hours. We're going to go over that. We're going to do some updates and some news. Also on Eminem, the rapper. We got some information that he bought an NFT and it ended up being like 123 Ethereum. So we're going to talk about that. All kinds of good stuff about crypto.com. Also advertising in the Super Bowl in February. It's going to be pretty big. And we're also going to cover AMP token at the end that it just got listed with Grayscale as an investment fund. So AMP token is an investment fund. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day the ultimate goal is to own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and head over to crypto.com. All right, crypto.com right here on CoinMarketCap is the 16th cryptocurrency on the CoinMarketCap. It's traded at around 54 cents, almost 55 cents. In the last 24 hours, as you can see, it's down 3.5%. In the last 7 days, it's down 2.28%. Clicking it. So again, looking over here, it says it's down about 3% in the last 24 hours. Let's go over here and take a look. Yeah, the last day, it has dropped pretty good. So it was up here at 57 cents. It dropped 3 cents. And then it's kind of trying to rally back up. In the last 7 days, it got all the way up to 58 cents, and it kind of came back down. Checking the holders of crypto.com. Clicking 3 months. This should be pretty good. So the reason I do this is to show if there's any traction on the coin. If more and more people are holding the coin in a tremendous amount, then it shows everybody, the viewers, like, wow, okay, more people are getting this token. So let's see this. October 9th, there was 114. October 7th, 114,000 people holding the crypto.com CRO. Okay, October 7th. Let's go to November 12th. 114, it went to 122. And let's go all the way to January 4th. It's 192. 192 to 114. So it's about 80. So about 70%, 65 to 70% uptick. In the last 90 days, there's 65% more people owning the crypto.com. Now, do you think that has to do with crypto.com becoming part of the Staples Center no longer? Now it's crypto.com on LA. So it's such a big thing that they've changed the whole entire scenery of everything. It could be that. Could be crypto's just starting to uptick. A lot of people seeing the commercials on Sundays and Mondays for football, FTX. I know we're going to see it during the Super Bowl, so pretty big stuff here. All right, so here we go. We got some updates for everybody. NFT sales have increased by 2% on the open seas. Eminem joins the Bored Ape Yacht Club for 123 ETHs. We're going to cover that. Now, here's some big takeaways. South Korea tech giant Samsung announced an NFT platform for smart TVs. Upcoming Samsung smart TVs will be built-in platform where users can browse, buy, notice the buy thing, buy and sell NFTs. So Samsung's trying to get into the game first. So on your TV set, not even your computer, not even your iPhone, on your TV set, you'll be able to buy and sell NFTs. Pretty big. Next thing, award-winner rapper Eminem has joined the Bored Ape Yacht Club, purchasing one ape for 123 ETHs for a total price of almost $500,000, $462,000. So, okay, Eminem. So Eminem's got the Bored Ape now. Right here, Eminem purchased a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT for $462,000. So there you go. It says right here, I'm limited assimilation. Thank you, Eminem, for buying my ape and joining the club. Let me write a lyric in the next single. Well, there you go. So he's got the Bored Ape. Square announces they reveal plans for blockchain, metaverse, and NFTs. Square is a company behind the Final Fantasy video game series, one of the best-selling video games franchises of all time. So Square's trying to reveal plans for a blockchain, metaverse, and NFT. Another, pay attention to those things. If you're into buying Square stock, you may want to put that on your radar, because if you already own Square and all of a sudden they're reviewing plans for the blockchain and metaverse and NFTs, it could be something big to look into. OpenSea's recorded a 2% increase in sales and 23% increase in transactions. This is about the NBA Top Shot. They're down 12% in sales. They're also down 12% in transactions. Crypto.com NFT in the spotlight. Mike Rashad King is an American entrepreneur, fitness and lifestyle enthusiast, professional boxer. The chronic the King's path throughout the storybook journey, protecting, guiding his people. He must push them past the limits and towards glory. So the Endless Emotion, a collection of 7-piece chronics of beauty, embracing the uncertainty of life. So check that out. So Crypto.com NFTs in the spotlight. So what do you think of Crypto.com? 54 cents. Have you got a little bit of it? Are you watching it? Are you tracking it? What's your thoughts? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. So we've been covering AMP token for a long time. We're going to basically talk about AMP with Grayscale, just a minute or two here. It's now going to be part of an investment fund. Pretty big thing for AMP token. So right here, Grayscale reshuffles its DeFi index funds and adds Flexa AMP. So it says right here, crypto asset management firm Grayscale announced Tuesday to shake up its DeFi fund as part of the quarterly rebalancing. The firm owns crypto decap unicorn, said it would remove Bancor and UMM from the index fund and add AMP. So these two, Bancor and UMA, were at 2% of the fund right here and 2.9%. If you add that up, it's almost 5%. What's going to happen here is AMP token will make up 7.39% of the fund now. So right here, AMP's going to make up 7.39%. The other assets in the fund are Uniswap and AAVE. Uniswap is going to make up 42.33%, and AAVE is going to make up 13%. Pretty big thing, the fund that the new edition AMP token will be used on the Flexa network as a form of collateral. So AMP is now an investment fund. So you can actually go to Grayscale's website and actually purchase it, and it'd be part of a fund. Pretty fantastic stuff. First time for AMP token. So what are your thoughts of AMP being part of an investment fund? I think it's pretty big. Go check out Grayscale's website. They got Bitcoin on there. They got Ethereum. They got Litecoin. They got all kinds of things you can purchase. They don't deal with their private investors so much, more the institutions, bigger companies that are into it. But that's okay. I just think it's pretty good information, good cryptocurrency news. All right, let's head back over to Crypto.com. So right here on Crypto.com, the benchmark NFT sales increased by 2% on OpenSeas. Eminem joins the Bored Ape Club, 123 ETHs. And the other big news, Samsung announced NFT platform for TVs. So we got TV platforms, M&Ms, and we got a 2% increase. Fantastic. I always kind of like to do this. Here we go. We're going to play the commercial you're probably going to see in February on the Super Bowl. Fantastic commercial. Crypto.com.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others. The ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
So what are your thoughts of that commercial? I mean, it's very simple and to the point and stuff. FTX and Crypto.com have made big things that they're going to be advertising all over the Super Bowl. A 30-second commercial is $5.5 million. Crypto.com. Let's head back over to do a little price prediction. All right, over here, Crypto.com and CoinMarketCap, 54 cents. Want to take a look here in the last month. Take a look in the last month. This token went up to 65 cents, 66 cents, and 62 cents. Looking in the last 3 months, token went all the way as high as 94 cents. So you see 3 months ago, this token was 94 cents. It's traded at 55 cents. I think it's going to easily get to 65 or 70 cents by the end of the first quarter. It's already went to 92 cents, so hitting the 65 or 70 shouldn't be too difficult. A lot of big things going on. The Super Bowl is coming. The advertisement is coming. You're going to see it. All our information is for educational purposes only. But go back to the charts, look at your things. This token had a high of 93 cents just 3 months ago. All right, crypto.com. Polygon is down 2%. Shiba Inu is down 4%. Dogecoin is down about 1% at 16 cents. Avalanche is right there at number 11 at 104. Polkadot is up 7% in the last 7 days, $30. Terra Luna is down 3% at number 9. XRP is at 82 cents, down about 1%. Cardano's down about 1% in the last 24 hours. Solana is down 2% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin is down 1%. Ethereum's at 3,800, 3,812, down 1%. Bitcoin is still right around that 46,000. All right, everybody, what do you think the big highlight is? Eminem, $462,000 for a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT. I mean, that's pretty big. 123 ETHs. Or is it Samsung that's actually going to be building in a platform that they can buy and sell NFTs on your TV set? All kinds of good stuff. Crypto.com's got good things going on. It's got advertisements. Hey, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Click right here to see our most recent video. Cryptocurrency 2021 was the mainstream that it became very popular. 2022 this year, this is the year to really dig into it, figure out what you want to do with it. So, hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.